Another day, another English lesson. Introduction to color and emotion changes using turn and get. In English, we often use special verbs to talk about changes in color and emotions. Today, we will learn how to use the verbs turn and get to describe these changes. Using turn for color changes, turn helps us describe how something changes color. For example, the leaves turn yellow in the fall. His face turned red when he was embarrassed. Using get for emotional changes, get helps us describe how someone feels or changes their emotions. For example, she gets happy when she sees her friends. He gets scared during thunderstorms. Now, watch and listen to these sentences with turn and get for changes. 1. The leaves turn red in the fall. 2. I get happy when I see my friends. 3. The sky turns pink at sunset. 4. She gets sad when it rains. 5. When the traffic light turns green, we can go. 6. They get excited before a big game. 7. When I add lemon to tea, it turns light brown. 8. He gets angry when he loses his keys. Now, you try. Complete the sentences with the correct form of turn or get. One. He gets angry when he loses his keys. 2. I get happy when I see my friends. 3. The leaves turn red in the fall. 4. She gets sad when it rains. 5. The sky turns pink at sunset. 6. When the traffic light turns green, we can go. 7. They get excited before a big game. 8. When I add lemon to tea, it turns light brown. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.